Hello and welcome to your English class. Today we will be starting a new chapter, Deep Waters, written by William Douglas. So all those who have already attended the live class have finished this chapter. Those who have not attended the live class, we are going to start this for you today. And please make sure that you read the chapter as well in the book while you see this video too. So the chapter is written by William Douglas, and William Douglas was born in Minnesota in USA, and he spent his earlier years of education by studying English and economics. Later on, he studied law and he became the judge in the Supreme Court of USA. And after he retired, then he started writing books upon his personal experiences, whatever he had gone through. So this particular chapter, Deep Waters, is also about his personal experience and where he is talking about his fear of water. यानी कि उसके साथ ऐसे कोई इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे जिससे कि वो एक बारी पानी में डूबने लगा था. इनफैक्ट पूरी तरह से डूब चुका था. एंड उस इंसिडेंट की वजह से उसके मन में पानी का फियर पैदा हो गया है एंड ही डज नॉट वांट टू गो deep inside the water because whenever he goes there he feels very frightened, afraid, he is very nervous. So the chapter tells us about this particular experience, how and what he went through, and also how he overcame this fear. Okay, so that is what is being narrated in this particular chapter. So you can open your books to chapter number 3, Deep Waters, written by William Douglas. It happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. The Yakima River was treacherous. Mother continually warned against it and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and it was 9 feet deep at the other. The drop was gradual. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. I hated to walk naked into it and show my skinny legs, but I subdued my pride and did it. Right? So he is talking about how he is, when he was very small, like 10 or 11 years, his mother had warned him and, taught him earlier only that you should stay in the shallow waters where it is not so deep, and try not to go into the deep waters where you might tend to drown, especially if you do not know how to swim. So that's what happened. He did not know how to swim and he was warned by his mother to be very, very careful. But he has come to this club, YMCA, where there is a pool and where he will be taught how to swim. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and father took me to the beach in California. He and I stood together in the surf. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. I was buried in water. My breath was gone. I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. So what happens is that एक इंसिडेंट तब हुआ था जब वो 3 years का था, जब वो अपने पापा के साथ बीच पे गया था. एंड he is a small child of 3 years, so he won't be that strong, and waves are very, very strong. So एक wave आई और उसको गिरा के चली गई, मीन्स क्योंकि उसका फोर्स इतना ज़्यादा था और इतना छोटा सा था कि he could not withstand the force of the wave. So he fell down, and as he fell, the waves, it submerged him and he was not able to breathe. So that was the first incident that happened with him, and he was very, very frightened and afraid, and उस incident के बाद से he was not able to go in the water because that fear was there कि ऐसे ही कुछ हो सकता है उसके साथ फिर से दोबारा से. So all of us also have gone through a very similar experience while visiting a beach or while visiting a water park कि जब हम पानी में जाते हैं so we tend to get in the water and we feel that we are not able to breathe and we are choking. So same type का experience इसके भी साथ हुआ. वो तो बहुत छोटा था, 3 years old था, तो he could not it was hard for him to overcome this memory. तो बचपन की memory अभी भी है, and now he is grown up, he is 10 and 11 years old, so he still remembers that incident that occurred when he was 3 years old. So let's now see कि आगे क्या होता है. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fears. But in a little, while I gathered confidence, I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by aping them. I did this 2 or 3 times or different days and was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened. Right? So जब वो जाता है स्विमिंग करने के लिए, सीखने के लिए, तब वो he's very like this memory of his childhood was still there in his mind. So he was not that confident while swimming. He did not want to he did not want to remember it, but at the same time those memories were coming back to him and troubling him. So what happens is that he tries to learn how to swim, and he tries to overcome this particular fear. शुरू में तो सब ठीक था, he was okay, he was trying to, it says no, he was trying to learn and by aping them, मतलब by copying them, by trying to do what the elders were doing. So जो बड़े करते थे उसको वो कॉपी करने की कोशिश करता था, उसको वो grasp करने की कोशिश करता था, and he was trying to learn what the instructors were teaching him, what the coaches were teaching him, and what the other students were doing. So he was trying to see them, watch them and learn at the same time. जैसे ही वो थोड़ा सा comfortable होना शुरू हुआ, थोड़ा confident होना शुरू हुआ, a misadventure took place, an incident took place which made him fear the water more than anything else. I went to the pool when no one else was there. The place was quiet, the water was still, and the tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. I was timid about going in alone, so I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. I had not been there long when in came a big bruiser of a boy, probably 18 years old. He had thick hair on his chest. He was a beautiful physical specimen, with legs and arms that showed rippling muscles. He yelled, "Hi, skinny. How do you like to be ducked?" Right? So one day he went to the pool and a little early and nobody was there. So he thought that let me just sit there with my legs in the pool. और वो पानी में पैर डाल के बैठा हुआ था, वेट कर रहा था जैसे सब लोग आएंगे, then he will get inside the water. But before anybody else could come, a big bruiser of a boy means a bigger boy, 18 years old boy came and he was like trying to bully him. उसको थोड़ा परेशान करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. तो उस बड़े लड़के को तो नहीं पता था कि इस छोटे से को स्विमिंग नहीं आती है. So वो उसको देखता है, like he talks to him कि कैसा होगा कि अगर मैं तुमको पानी में फेंक दूँ? How about if I duck you in the water? And by the time he realizes कि ये लड़के ने क्या बोला है, the boy throws him in the water. Okay? With that, he picked me up and tossed me into the deep end. I landed in a sitting position, swallowed water, and went at once to the bottom. I was frightened, but not yet frightened out of my wits. On the way down, I planned. When my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool. Right? So it so happens that he उसको पानी में बड़ा सा आदमी था, लड़का देखने में बहुत हैंडसम, गुड लुकिंग था. And this little boy of 11 years, who's William Douglas actually, the author, he did not know, और उसने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ये बड़ा लड़का, sensible लड़का, उसको पानी में फेंक देगा. And instead of throwing him in the shallow water, he throws him in the deep water. And as he throws him, he goes straight down. जब वो डूब रहा था तो of course he was frightened because he is a little boy. But he says that I was still not frightened till my wits, यानी कि बिल्कुल भी उसका जो फ्राइट का या फियर का जो लेवल था अभी वो अपने हाईएस्ट लेवल पे नहीं पहुंचा था. तो still his mind was working and still he knew in his mind that by seeing the others, whatever he had learned, he thought that he would be able to use that knowledge while he's drowning. So he said in his mind, he's planning कि वो क्या करेगा. So he plans कि जब वो गिरेगा पानी में नीचे ज़मीन पे सतह पर पहुँचेगा, so he will push himself with his legs and climb upwards. And maybe while throwing himself upwards, he will reach the surface and he'll hold on to something and then get out of the water. So that's what he's planning in his mind. Already he knows that now he's about to drown himself in the water, but his mind is working because he's not so frightened, and he knows that what he has to do once he goes inside the water. It seemed a long way down. Those 9 feet were more like 90, and before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. But when my feet hit the bottom, I summoned all my strength and made what I thought was a great spring upwards. I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cock. Instead, I came up slowly. I opened my eyes and searched up as if to grab a rope, and my hands clutched only at water. I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water. Water that had a dirty yellow tinge to it. I grew panicky. I reached up as if to grab a rope, and my hands clutched only at water. I was suffocating. I tried to yell, but no sound came out. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. Right? जब वो पानी में जा रहा था नीचे, तो he had a plan कि वो अपना वो push करेगा upwards, और वो कॉक की तरह पानी जैसे हम लोग पेप्सी पीते हैं, and with the pressure the cork blows up. So he also feels that once he goes down and when he push the floor with his legs, he will come up with the force. But he is too small to do that, and he did not have that much of strength, and he's short also. So he did not come on the surface, but he came somewhere in between. And when he opened his eyes, he saw only water, and by now the color of the water had also changed. The water that he saw was so clear, so clean. Now it was a little yellow in color, a little tingy color, and that made him feel little panicky. Panicky matlab nervous. And he tried to, हाथ पैर ऐसे मार रहा था. He was trying to hold on to something. He thought there might be a rope, or there might be a rod or something that he would hold on and clutch to it. But unfortunately there was only water everywhere. And now he starts to suffocate, means he finds it hard to breathe. And then he tries to yell. He tries to shout. Yell means shout. He tries to shout, but since he is in the water, nobody can hear his voice. and then he tries to open his eyes and nose, but he was little air he could breathe in, but still the mouth was still in the water, so it was very difficult for him to breathe, very difficult for him to to come on the surface, because now he was just losing his strength. I failed at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. I tried to bring my legs up, but they hung as dead weights, paralyzed and rigid. A great force was pulling me under. I screamed, but only the water heard me. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. Right? So he says that he failed to go on the surface of the water. So probably he was still inside the water and he swallowed the water also. So because he swallowed the water, पानी उसके मुंह के अंदर जा रहा था, तो he started choking, मतलब उसका दम घुटने लगा. And he tried to bring his, फिर भी उसका दिमाग काम कर रहा था और अपने पैरों से वो ताकत लगा रहा था कि वो किसी तरह अपने आप को पुश करे सरफेस की तरफ, लेकिन his legs were too heavy to do that. It seems as if they were paralyzed and as if they had no strength, so he could not use that strength again. And then he says that there was a certain force, ऐसा लग रहा था क्योंकि उसके पैर इतने भारी हो चुके थे, इतने पैरालाइज हो चुके थे, तो instead of coming upwards he was going downwards, and he was shouting but nobody could hear him because, and he was screaming but nobody could hear him because he was still inside the water. And it started, what started as a long journey, now upwards. He thought that it's taking time for me to go upwards. Now because he was losing his strength, he was becoming weak, he was choking because water was getting inside his body. So he was now going down near the bottom of the pool instead of coming upwards. So basically he was drowning. वो डूब रहा था, बजाय ऊपर आने के वो पानी में नीचे डूबता चला गया. Right? So we will stop over here. Please read it. Try to understand what is there. If you have any doubts, feel free to message me or write in the comment box. So till then, take care of yourselves. Have a lovely weekend and stay safe. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.